Thank you so much, Aditya, for all those inputs on those stories. We are shifting focus now towards air pollution in the national capital, and my colleagues have filed some ground reports on the Delhi AQI. Let's in fact take a look at those.
Well, we're just standing at this juncture at Anand Vihar, and completely, the Delhi NCR is completely engulfed in a thick layer of haze and smog, and completely, there is an air emergency across Delhi. And I would just request my video journalists to pan across and show you the visuals from here, how even after the successive GRAP restrictions are into place, still the traffic flow is, very, very normal. However, in the past, we have seen, how at this juncture, the pollution has continued to increase. Definitely, recently also, if we see, the Delhi government has, imposed the rule of no pollution certificate, no petrol, and many of the vehicles that do not comply with the BS6 norms have been challaned on various borders of Delhi, be it Delhi-Ghaziabad border, be it Delhi-Ghazipur border, and other borders across Delhi and Delhi. So indeed, at this juncture, clearly, if we see, there's a smog gun also installed in this particular area of Anand Vihar. Definitely, this is to control the increasing pollution in Delhi NCR, because we all know, that people are increasingly facing problems in breathing, and there are, as we are standing here also, there is a considerable irritation in eyes and ears. So clearly, in the coming days, we could expect the situation of pollution to remain very, very similar across Delhi NCR. Considering the nature, definitely at this juncture, it needs to be seen whether there is an improvement in the air quality index or not, because in the past 2 months, every year, this has become a norm that, during the months of October, November and December, respite, Delhiites get no respite from the increasing pollution. This is Aditya Vadhavan reporting for NewsX with video journalist Dinesh from Delhi.
Well, Delhi's air continues to be very toxic even after GRAP 4 stage in place. No betterment can be seen in the AQI. Right now, I'm present near the Parliament at the Kartavya Path and would like to show you the visuals around how it looks like. As you can clearly see, even after the sun is shining, there is a low visibility. The India Gate from here is not clearly visible. There is a thick layer of smog that has engulfed the entire area. And these are not only the visuals from this particular place, but all around the national capital, the visuals remain the blur and is not clearly visible. Also would like to show you the data, how the situation is on ground, how it looks like. As you can clearly see, the overall AQI in the national capital is in the very poor category. It's 349. Also, if we talk about the other places of the national capital, well, there is a slight betterment than past 2 days, as the AQI at the several places was above 400, but today, as you can see, at Anand Vihar also the AQI is 374, at Bhavana also it's 352, at Chandni Chowk also it's 382. So there is a slight betterment, but it's still most of the places, leaving 1 or 2 places, the national capitals, places are in the red zone. Also, if we show you the other side also, you can see, these are the Parliament street, and as you can see, the visibility is less. There is a blurriness that we can clearly feel. The grey line in the sky can clearly be seen. So definitely not such betterment even after GRAP 4 stage. The environment, the temperature is going down, and the environment minister is also warning the industries and the other officials, the people who are violating, that the strict action will be taken against them. And also what the weather department has said, that IMD has issued the warning for the rainfall in the 4 states, and also there will be dense fog in most of the places in India. Yes, I'm Arzu Seth, video journalist to the Eat for NewsX in Delhi.
All right, we are shifting focus now.